Ethereum resumes finalizing blocks after second performance hiccup in 24 hours. Finality refers to the guarantee that a block cannot be altered and removed from the Ethereum blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain suffered from a technical issue on Friday that caused the network to stop finalizing blocks for over an hour, the second such outage in the past 24 hours. The incident, the cause of which remains a matter of speculation, sparked major security concerns for users of the second-largest blockchain by market capitalization. According to the Ethereum Foundation, when blocks are not being finalized, it is possible that pending transactions might be reordered or dropped from the network. The network had resumed finalizing blocks at press time, but this is the second time Ethereum has seen a hit to its performance in 24 hours. The chain experienced the same issue Thursday, when finality paused for roughly 25 minutes. According to Superfizz.eth, self-proclaimed Ethereum Beacon Chain community health consultant, transactions were not halted Thursday and continued to be processed during the downtime. The lack of finality technically had zero impact on chain activity, he tweeted. Some of the services built atop Ethereum, which hosts a multi-billion-dollar network of financial infrastructure and other applications, were forced to modify operations as a result of today's finality issues. DID, a leading decentralized exchange platform, says it paused deposits temporarily due to the lack of Ethereum finality and were continuing to monitor and investigate this issue. Edited by Sam Kessler. Learn more about Consensus 2024, CoinDesk's longest running, and follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.